Hello parents! I decided to make a video to help answer some questions and help alleviate any confusion that there still is about the homework assignments assigned, when they're due, where to find them, and other things. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. Again, I appreciate those of you that filled out the survey after the first quarter, and I made some changes in second quarter from those results, and I hope those were helpful. And so now I'm looking at making some more changes. And one of the biggest questions I get about emails is, what is the homework and when it is due? So here's how all the different places that students can find where their homework is that was assigned. So first, in my classroom, on one of my whiteboards, I have a calendar for the week that shows what the homework is from each of the days. Now, what happens though is I don't always get as far as I want in a day, and things change, and so things can change. So this is my calendar that I have for this week, and in 6th and 7th grade and 8th grade, I didn't get as far as I wanted, and so we started lesson 1 in 6th grade, but we're going to finish it tomorrow on Tuesday, so they actually don't have homework, and the lesson 1 homework will be tomorrow. And same thing in 7th grade, I didn't get as far as I wanted, so this worksheet is now tomorrow's homework. So this whiteboard, I have it up there so they can see what's going on. I update it. But really the best place for the most accurate update information is RenWeb. But this is in the classroom for students that want to know what we're doing that day. But RenWeb, I always update every day and make sure that it is accurate. Now this is what it looks like on my side. This isn't the parent view. I apologize for that. But as you can see, I have that we started the 5-1 notes. This is 7th grade, but there is no homework since I didn't finish it. And then on Tuesday, I already wrote that we're going to finish the notes, hopefully. And the homework is the worksheet. And I also just put this link right here in case they forgot the worksheet or lost it, that you can click on this link and it opens the worksheet up right there. You can print it out, or you can answer the questions on a separate piece of paper, whichever that you would like to do. So you can find it in RenWeb. Another really cool place, because this tells you the due date Thursday, but if you need to look up for past assignments and it's kind of hard to look through RenWeb, all the other assignments I have, there's a great just one place stop, and that's the standard sheet. This is the same document I sent out at the beginning of the year, and I still have been updating it. So I'll bring one up for one of my algebra classes, and it will open up to the most current chapter that we are on. And on the bottom here, you can see these different tabs for previous chapters. So if you're looking for an assignment that's maybe late from chapter 4, you can click on this tab. So you can see here I have the different standards that we're going to cover in chapter 5, and I've already written some of these homework assignments. But as you notice over here, I have when it's assigned and when it's due, so students can help keep track of what it is. So you notice I haven't assigned any of these. This one I'm assigning tomorrow. This is going to be tomorrow's homework, and as you see, it is due Thursday. And so when I click on this, you have to click on it again when this link comes up, and that will open up the worksheet in case, again, they lose it or lost it or forgot to grab one, or if they're absent. It's in this place. I really like this because not only that, but all these worksheets are hyperlinked and they're all in one place. And this is for every assignment that I assign in the whole class. So you can go back to previous chapters. So you can see here in chapter 4, all the homework I assigned in chapter 4. The worksheets are hyperlinked here. It says when I assigned them and when they are due. And here I write out what the different things are. If it's KAs for Khan Academy, or if you say, if it says CK right here, that's the CK12 website for the different things that I assign. So you'll see the due dates are varying, but as I said in my email, I am changing that everything's going to be due Thursday. We're going to try that out and see how it works. And then one last thing, I just wanted to show you how to find Khan skills, because sometimes I still find students having trouble finding the right Khan skill. And so I'm going to go to Khan here. On the right when you log in, don't hit whichever math it is. Don't hit 6th grade math or 7th or algebra. Instead, just go to the search bar on the plain page here and search in exactly the title that I give you. So in here, I always make sure I have the titles written exactly how they go. I'm going to search a certain one that students have trouble with. It's called Interpreting and Solving Linear Inequalities. As you can see, it popped up here. So if you just type that in, Interpreting and Solving Linear Inequalities, you'll see these videos come up. So I tell students, always click on exercises right here. If you type in word for word the skill I assigned, and you click on exercises, it will guaranteed always be this very top one. Now this is kind of deceiving to students. They see the black screen and they'll think it's a video. But trust me, if you click exercises, you won't get videos, you'll only get the practice problems, and it'll always be the top one there if you type it in correctly. So that's the easiest way to find those con skills that I have assigned. I hope this video has been helpful. Please do email me, give me a call anytime you guys have any questions, you're not sure about anything. I'm more than willing to help. I hope that we have a very successful rest of the school year, and I really look forward to it. Thanks a lot.